Smart money tactics. Master the art of financial success. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to share with you some incredible smart money tactics that will transform the way you approach your finances. Whether you want to achieve financial freedom, save for your dream goals, or simply improve your money management skills, this video is for you. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of smart money tactics. 1. The power of budgeting. You know what they say, failing to plan is planning to fail. And that's exactly why the first smart money tactic we'll be discussing is budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and make conscious decisions about where your money should go. By budgeting effectively, you'll be able to prioritize your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and ultimately reach your financial goals faster. 2. Automate your savings. Saving money can sometimes be challenging when there are so many temptations around. But worry not, because there's an ingenious smart money tactic called automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a separate savings account, you'll effortlessly build a solid financial cushion. It's all about paying yourself first and making saving a priority. Remember, small savings add up over time, and before you know it, you'll have a substantial amount in your savings account. 3. Debt repayment strategies. Debt can feel like a heavy burden dragging you down, but with the right smart money tactics, you can conquer it. In this shot, I'll be sharing some effective debt repayment strategies to help you become debt-free faster. Whether it's the snowball method or the avalanche method, finding the strategy that aligns with your goals and financial situation is essential. By tackling your debt head-on and making consistent payments, you'll inch closer to financial freedom with each passing month. 4. The art of investing. Investing might seem daunting, but it's a crucial smart money tactic to grow your wealth over time. Whether you're interested in stocks, real estate, or index funds, understanding the basics of investing is essential. In this shot, I'll break it down for you, explaining different investment options, risk diversification, and how to get started even with a small amount of money. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and with patience and knowledge, you can make your money work for you. 5. Building multiple streams of income. Wouldn't it be amazing to have multiple streams of income? Well, guess what? It's not just a dream, it's a smart money tactic that will significantly impact your financial well-being. In this shot, I'll be sharing some creative ways to generate additional income, whether it's through freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in passive income sources. By diversifying your income streams, you'll have more security, flexibility, and more opportunities to achieve your financial goals.